Okay, so this is the second video of that project. Um, Small world. Let me call that a small world. So in here now, I have updated some of the destruction codes, and also I fixed a bug in the death count in the destruction, and also now I have given a small uh, death code as well, like randomly people dying like that. And also I have refactored the instruction code, like there was a lot of repeated code, so I just made it to one. Only thing is, like, according to the destruction, like there will be a max count. That's the only difference. Other than that, most of the codes are same, so I just made it as a single code. And also it's more easy to maintain. And also I am now having a new model, that is what is the max destruction which happened. I would log that, I mean console. I will show that in the LCD screen, like which destruction is the which has had the maximum depth. So that is also going to be a record. So I just want to show a small code go through in this. So not the entire thing, just a small showing how this works. It's my MicroPython. So actually, even I don't know the. I'm just saying whatever code I needed and getting that code and doing that. So basically, in this, you don't need to know much about this. This is for that LCD things. So in here you can see um, ID. You can specify anything. This is the pin in the um, micro Pico. In the 27 pin, I have connected the SCL of that LCD and SDA into 26th pin. And frequency is the amount of voltage I am giving. According to this, actually, it will work as a brightness will be decreasing or increasing. And the second line, um, actually, this is to specify, like telling how the LCD should work. So this is this number I am not sure, but I think maybe this specifies the this number, whatever pin I gave. I forgot what is this. Actually, I did this project initially. I did for the time, and it was very long before. So another thing is, this is the line rows of lines I'm going to use in the LCD. Normally this LCD is a two line LCD, like 2 into 16, I guess. I forgot, but I remember like 2 into 16, so 2 rows and 16 columns. So actually I made it to one row because when it was through 2 rows, like the brightness is somewhat less. I tried to increase the frequency, but more use. So I made it to one line to have more brightness. Um, and actually, I have some problems in here because it's just, I mean, limited to one row. So I have to show everything, and again and again I have to clear things out to show the next value in the same line. So this is actually RTC model. This is not needed in this project, but this is basically for the time. So this RTC model can store time. So this is just its SCL pin uh, attached to 1 and SDA pin attached to 0, and amount of frequency we are giving to that. And This is to just get the value from the RTC module. And this one, I forgot why I had this, but I think something we needed. Maybe maybe this is somewhere, I believe. Yeah, to get the time. Okay, in that case we have result here. Result. I think result is not needed. That maybe for testing purpose I had this, but maybe this was not working, and I just kept it there. That's it. So this is the original code we are using, not this one. Just a dummy, I mean useless code here. So the next one is the clearing of the LCD. Once the LCD is initiator, then you can use the LCD screen. So in here we are clearing the LCD for if it has any um, initial whatever it is, but it doesn't have anything, it just has this, that's it. So and we are moving the pointer to 00, the first line of the LCD screen, and then we are showing this message, LCD loading, and then after 5 seconds then only we are starting our program. And I'm starting with actually this is for testing purpose. Actually let's start with one male and one female, and time is one, that is 180. It will be shown that you will see. And we are setting the destruction, nothing, total destruction 0, max depth 0, and max depth count. This things for destruction, like if a destruction happens we are storing some details here. So this is a uh, for while loop in Python, MicroPython, and whatever inside this would keep on going as we have given true there. So whatever inside this will keep on repeating again. So, and also in Python actually everything is like with a um, they call it iteration or something like that. Actually you can see if I give something wrong here, and then if we run this, so it will show if something goes wrong. Let's see, yeah, indentation error. So this is one problem with Python actually, while coding. A problem, I don't know whether any IDE of Python's works well, but for in here like you have to manually do everything. So even in here while I was working with the destruction, when I had many lines of codes here, like when I added a if condition, then I had to manually move all the codes. In some cases it will automatically move, in some cases it doesn't, and you have to move all the code inside. So that's a headache of work there. So yeah, back to the code. So we are clearing the LCD, and then moving. Oh yeah, I saw that, and then we are setting the Pico, and then we are moving to the 8th line, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th line would be whatever we are printing here. So another problem with Python is that actually even this would convert to string, but for some reason the value is not printing in the LCD screen. So I have to print a space here front after to show the value there. So and then we would have a 1 second delay, and then do the repetition of showing the values. And let me show if condition here. Um, as I told, I am not going through all the codes here, only whatever is needed. So this is the if condition in MicroPython. So in here you have to specify if, and there is not going to be any braces, instead there will be space, then whatever you want to check, and then equal to, then whatever check you are going to do it, and then there should be an colon, else it will break, and then all the things which you need to be in the if must have a space, and everything should be in there. And another thing that might be useful here might be the random choice. So whatever you are doing in here, it will take any one from this, and that would be the destruction mode here. And yeah, actually that was a problem, like if there is less people, I don't want the destruction to happen, so I had this. And suspend, not an issue. Mass destruction, yeah, this is a not case. I think this is normal as other codes, not a big change. And also another thing is, in here you don't need to specify like a var, let, const or anything. You can just specify that, then you can directly specify anything. That's it. And yeah, this is the next one, brand in it. So this it choose anything between any two numbers. Yeah, I think that's it. Not much of a thing. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see any different code here. So actually, this one like prints one by one, values one by one. We'll have 1 second and then print next. How number of mails, number of email, destruction and total destruction. And then if any destruction has to happen, it will happen according to the condition here given below. Like if the destruction should happen or not. Then if it's one, then anything between one and any other number. Actually, for testing purpose, I have given one or two, so the destruction will happen often. And according to that, this will happen, and we have the choice, and within one destruction will be chosen, and every destruction have a max number of death, and within that number the death will happen, and we would calculate how much female died or how much male died, and that will be updated. And also we are storing the detail of the max destruction death, like if the destruction happened is the maximum count of death has the maximum count of death, then that will be stored there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.